Hello, my name is Lipro. I 25 years old. I'm study University of Finnish. Yes. គ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំមានសរុបទាំងអស់ទាំងឪពុកម្ដាយមាន11នាក់
So in my family, all the member we have is 11 member in the family.
ប៉ាគាត់ធ្វើការគ្រូបរៀនហើយម៉ាក់នៅផ្ទះ
My dad is a teacher and my mom is a house worker.
មានបងប្រុសបងស្រីគាត់បងប្រុសមួយនៅសៀមរាបហើយបងស្រីមួយទៀតនៅធ្វើការនៅឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ី
So one of my brother he work in Siem Reap and another sister she work in Indonesia.
ហើយក្រៅពីបងប្រុសបងស្រីហ្នឹងក្រៅពីហ្នឹងគឺនៅផ្ទះធ្វើការរៀងៗខ្លួន
And the rest is stay home together and work individual.
សម្រាប់ការរៀនរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺផ្នែកគ្រប់គ្រងទូទៅគឺធ្វើឲ្យយើងស្គាល់ពីពិភពលោកខាងក្រៅឲ្យដឹងច្បាស់ជាងមុន
So it's really helpful and I can see a lot of things not just inside of my country but it's in general and overall the country, like all the world that I can see all the things happen and all the things that I can learn I can see.
ឲ្យយើងដឹងថាការរៀនសូត្រវាសំខាន់ហើយវាពិតជាជួយយើងពិតប្រាកដ
And to make me know that studying is really important and it's really helpful to our future.
នៅពេលរៀនអ្វីដែលចូលចិត្តហ្នឹងពេលលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូឆ្នាំខ្លះទៅគាត់ដាក់មេរៀនតិចៗចឹងណាហើយបើអ្វីដែលអត់សូវច្បាស់ចិត្តហ្នឹងគ្រូដាក់ច្រើនពេក
So he said what he like about the school about his studying is when the teacher give him less assignment and he don't like the school when the teacher give him so much assignment. So he stressed and he's a lot of things to do.
សម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហ្មងគឺចង់ឲ្យគាត់អធិដ្ឋានឲ្យសម្រាប់អនាគតឬក៏ហៅថាដំណើរផែនការសម្រាប់ទៅមុខទៀតថាយើងគួរទៅណាឬក៏ធ្វើអីបន្តទៀត
So please pray for me about my future. So now I'm not sure what to do and what is God's plan, I don't know, but let's pray for me about that and let God show me the plan and show me the way that I would go and I would do.
មានខែថាឲ្យគាត់កាន់តែមានសុខភាពល្អស្លាញ់ព្រះហើយឲ្យគាត់ប្រកបការងារឬក៏មុខរបររបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងកាន់តែល្អប្រសើរទៀតហ្នឹង
Okay, so I want to say that thank you so much for your helping and I want to say that may God bless you and be healthy and be successful everything you do and I hope you will reach and reach and reach. So God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.